Hi everyone, my name is Aung Khong and I'm third year student studying Information and Communication Technology at Rangsit University. So for a few years ago, I used to be a mentor at REC Language Center, and I have a lot of experience from my mentoring section, and also really have a chance to meet and mentors different people from different backgrounds, and also really enjoy my mentoring section because I love to share what I learned and knew to other people. Sharing is caring. That's why I really enjoy my mentoring section. And also for this coming semester, and I'm also ready to share what I learned and knew to other people. So for my mentoring section, we will have not only writing section but also speaking section in order to improve your English skill. So yeah, at last I'm really excited to see all of you guys very soon. Yeah, thank you. See you.